The shingles were peeling up. The windows were in really bad shape. They'd probably been here since the house, which is probably 100 years. I don't know. It's been a long time. The windows were drafty, yes, very drafty.
They were wood, aluminum storm windows.
We did 9 windows, and then they came back and did 5 more, and then they came back and did the roof also on that same day. They were awesome. They were awesome. Did a really good job, cleaned up. Both times. We had 2 separate window crews, and they did a good job. When I come home at night, I see it, and it looks good. Love the way they look. I love to be able to open my windows and look out my shades and look out, and just, I don't know, it's just a good feel. And to be able to clean them when they need cleaning from standing inside the house. I already have twice. They're on 3rd time now. I'm on my 3rd one already that's buying windows. I just tell them that the crew is awesome, and that the company is good to work with, and that they have a good product.